promoting your business or promoting your service or product in an online format, in a digital format. That is digital marketing. So from the word itself, we get to know what is digital marketing. You're marketing your product or services in a digital platform, which we call it as digital marketing. So what platform that we use for digital marketing, right? So what platforms that we use here? See, Google, we can use Google, and then we can use social media platforms, which is Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, everything, right? Social media platforms. And more, one more thing, when you do digital marketing, people think that only running ads, only Facebook and Instagram, only Google is digital marketing. No, we have more other than these social media platforms. Email, one of the most important, and then WhatsApp marketing, right? So we have these platforms also for digital marketing. We can promote our business through these platforms. And one more thing, what is the goal of digital marketing? See, for example, if you are owning a business, so why do you want to take your business into the digital platform? What's the reason? Anyone?
No, most of people they are searching in the social media websites only. If they
Mm-hmm.
want, they want searching in a Flipkart or Amazon. If they want any product, they are searching in
Yeah.
social media websites only. That is
Yeah.
the reason nowadays they're going digital market.
Okay, fine. See, so why you want digital marketing? So let me explain from my point. Okay, so what you're saying is right. Okay, I agree with that. So to build your brand awareness, so when you are, so for example, if you have a hair salon, right? For example, let's assume that one person is having a hair salon in Hyderabad locally in some area. Okay, if he didn't have digital presence, he only get to known by the surrounding people, right? Like like 1 kilometer radius or 2 kilometer radius, he might be known, well known, right? But if you are shifting your like if we daily post any reels of different hairstyles or different transformations that they do, right? So if you post reels on a daily basis, like how he work and what he do, then what happened, he'll reaching more wider. So why we need digital presence? To reach more wider audience. And then even from different place, like 40 kilometers distance also, some people might have seen this reel, and then they will be overwhelmed, and then will reach out this person for hashtag, right? So to reach wider audience and to grow your business in a quality manner, we need a digital presence. And nowadays, even when we start, for example, let's say let's assume some people are doing sari business. Okay, they are working from home, so you no need to have a shop or place to set up your business. You can work from home itself, with the using of like social media platforms. You can showcase your products, and then you can get orders through that itself. Like if, you can create your websites like e-commerce website. You can sell products through that as well, right? Nowadays, people, before telling the next neighbor person or relation, they are telling to through this social media platforms, right? You agree with that? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so we need digital marketing. So the goal of digital marketing is to get to reach wider audience and to get more customers, to create your brand awareness, right? To create your brand, to get well known by the people. Okay, so now why you need to learn digital marketing? Any idea? So why did you guys join here today?
Now, for example, what we say correct, now, what are the our brand will be there? We have to promote the Google. We have to awareness the customer. This is the product. They want to know. For
Mm,
example, if you take any phone also, if
mm,
there any features will be there,
mm.
people knows that this is the awareness. This is the they are upgraded the software only. This is the
Okay.
Hello, and guys, stay till the end. We are going to reveal the client, taking the client within 1 second. Like one click, you can get entire client's data. So as well as the PPT within one click, you going to have a PPT within one click. Okay, you can create 40, 50 slides within one click. So we are going to give the this is a bonus kind of thing. Please wait for the end of the session. Okay, you are going to get the bonus. How you are going to take a entire session, like entire client's data within one click, and you can utilize and you can close that client as well.
Yes, guys. So do
file.
you like this PPT format? This PPT, is it designed in a beautiful way? Yes or no? So this entire PPT was created less than a minute with the help of AI. So I didn't create these PPTs and all. So it is created by an AI. So all this content here, I no need these contents to explain you guys now. So at the end of the session, I'll be going to reveal that how I created this entire PPT within a minute. Okay. And then one more secret, like how I got my first client. See, I'm also a freelancer. So how I got my first client as a freelancer and a newbie. Okay. So I'm going to reveal it at the end of the session. So please be patient and stay till the end. Okay. So why you need to learn digital marketing? So what is the scope of digital marketing? So you all joined here just because like you might be interested in digital marketing, or you just want to explore some new skills. So you might be joined, right? So what's the scope of digital marketing? You just go to Indeed or Naukri, like some hiring platforms. You just type like digital marketing and your location, see the bunch of vacancies you can see for digital marketing role, right? So okay, so you have more career options. So you have wide range of digital marketing vacancies, so you can get a job easily. And for example, I'll tell you one thing. Okay, so let's assume three domains. Okay, so what? Yeah, three domains. So you are a digital marketer and someone who is an IT professional. Let's say he is a software designer or someone. Okay, who use code, and then someone from industrial background like machine something. Okay, so this IT guy cannot work into this industrial platform, right? And then this industry guy, like factory based, this guy cannot work into the coding platform. Agree? So these two are separate, two different platforms where it cannot be interconnected, right? But as a digital marketer, you can work in these two platforms, these two domains. Sorry, you can work in these two domains. So digital marketing is needed for all kind of business, from startups to high-end business. So you have vast vacancies. Okay, so for that, so you can easily get a job as a intern. If you join as an intern, you can with 3 months of experience you can get a full-time job as well, right? And not only that, so you can also build your career as a freelancer. So once you complete this digital marketing course, if you are opting for this digital marketing course and then you complete it, you can have wide range of freelancing opportunities. You can be a WordPress designer, you can be a Canva designer, you can be digital marketer, social media handler. So you have these many options. You can be a freelancer, you can work at anywhere. If you are going to get a job, if you are into job mentality, then you have to work from like 9 to 5, or else you can get like work from home opportunities. But if you are a freelancer, you can work like you work from anywhere. Even you can go to a vacation and then you can work from there as well. And other opportunities, like you can create your own agencies as well, right? So, and then no coding skills needed and no experience needed. Just if you know how to use a laptop, then it's highly enough. Okay, so you can learn digital marketing with us. Okay, and next, yeah, so what you will be learning in this course? So in this course means not in this demo, in digital marketing course, what you'll be learning is WordPress first. At the very first, I'll be teaching you like Canva designs and then WordPress website, because in digital marketing these two are very basic things that we need. Okay, even if you are going to run an ad in Meta like Facebook or Instagram, or if you want to showcase something to the people through social media, you need to know how to create a post, right? Add creative post. So that you in this course we'll be covering Canva mastery. You can like how to create a post from the scratch, or else how to create a post using already available templates. We'll be covering you that. And then how to design a website. So if you opt for this course, I'll be teaching you like how to create a website. And at the end of the entire course, after 3 months, you'll be having your own portfolio website as well, to showcase your talent. To get hired or to get a new client, you'll be having your own website. Okay, so we'll be teaching that. And then SEO. So if you have a website, obviously you need to know how to do an SEO, to ranking factor, right? What is SEO? Which is search engine optimization, which helps, which is like how ranking in the Google first page, right? Google has so many pages. If you search for something, and then it will give a number of websites or number of results, So but how do you choose? Like your eyes will be like first 3 to 4 websites, right? So you open first 4 to 5 websites only, so you won't see for the last websites or the next pages, right? So we'll be covering you like how to rank your website. And then social media marketing, how to like Instagram, Facebook, and then Twitter, everything. But Twitter everything will be covering, but most booming social media platform is Instagram and then Facebook, right? So we'll be covering that, and like how to post, when to post, how to design the post, how to be a creator. I will be covering that. And then how to run ads through social media, which is Meta. In Instagram and Facebook, in a comprising manner, we call it as Meta, right? That platform is called Meta. So we'll be explaining you that. And then we'll be covering Google ads as well, how to run display ads, search ads, everything. We'll be covering ads. And then WhatsApp and email marketing, which is most important factor. For example, let's assume that you are ordering something on Flipkart or Amazon. Before like you are tracking now, your order tracking, you'll get a message on automated message on WhatsApp, right? So when you order something, immediately you'll get a message in WhatsApp like you can track your order here, and then it will update you. And then if, for example, nowadays it's a Diwali time, right? You'll get like a 50% off offer available on Amazon. You can search it, right? That you'll get automated messages through Instagram, sorry, through WhatsApp, right? And then mail, email marketing. So when you do something and when you subscribe for something, automatically you'll get a message on a regular basis, you get an email on a regular basis, right? They'll give you like follow-up emails also. So you will be mastering that WhatsApp and email marketing as well, right? And then local SEO. So you guys know what is local SEO. You might have known what is SEO, but what is local SEO? Any ideas? Local SEO. So when you go to Google and then if you ask like hair salon near me, or else best restaurants near me, right? Wait, let me show you Google. And then you ask something, best restaurants near me in Pondicherry, for example, let's say, assume, okay? So you'll be getting these things, right? This business listings, Google business listing. So here we have wide range of listings. See, you have so many listings here, right? But will you scroll down and go to second page and then third page for best restaurants? No, right? You just go to first page, and then you will be seeing only first few hotels, first few restaurants, right? You won't go inside and search for second page, third page. See, first 3 page will attract your eyes, right? So this is local SEO. When you're like we're ranking your local business, is local SEO, right? So we'll be covering that as well. So how to get your business in the first place. So you can get the clients for that also. You can charge like 10,000 per month or 15,000 per month for this factor, and then you can sit at home and earn. That's it, right?
Hello. Local SEO means particular area, like it will be there, or any state wise will be there.
Sorry.
No, local SEO means it is a state wise local SEO or particular area wise local SEO. For example, you told by search in Google in restaurant only.
Any factor, you can rank for any factor. It's based on keywords that you use. If you want to attract only your local area, you can use it like
Wait, actually, local SEO means like you are asking for nearer by locations, right? Rather than state wise. Okay.
Yeah, that's
It
local
is,
means it's a local only, no.
yeah, local only it will be going to rank. But here what you can do, you can use the keywords to rank on particular total area. See, you are not going to rank when they are searching restaurant near me. If you are standing in Hyderabad and you are searching in Amirpet, so it will show the Amirpet area near Amirpet area, this kind of businesses. But when you can target the keyword in whole Hyderabad, best restaurant in Hyderabad. For those keywords, you can target and you can rank that business. But when you are going to Secunderabad, then you are searching restaurant near me, Google will optimize and Google will show the restaurants which are nearer to that area only. Okay, because Google has to give the best to their users. To give the best to their users, it will show nearer restaurant which are ranking in the top of the position. But we can hold the keyword which we can like best restaurant in Hyderabad. We can use the keywords and we can rank on that.
And what is the difference by and SEO and local SEO?
See,
Yeah,
SEO is
SEO.
website SEO. It is like all over India we can target as well as all over world. It depends upon the keyword that we the competitor is using and what we are using. Okay.
Even local SEO also you can target, no?
Just 1 minute. Let me explain that.
As per
See,
keyboard only, no?
yeah, right. Just a minute. I'll explain you. So this SEO is search engine optimization. That's particularly for this SEO covers everything. This local SEO also included in this. Okay. SEO we call it, but primarily this SEO we call it as on page and off page SEO, which we'll be using for website ranking. Okay. But especially under SEO, there is a local SEO. So this local SEO is primarily used for this local business ranking. Normal SEO is for like website ranking, and under within this SEO you have local SEO, on page SEO, off page SEO. These things are under this SEO, right? So on page and off page will be covering for websites to rank your websites, and this local SEO is particularly for business listings. Now you understood?
That is okay, Divya. Not based on keyboards only, no. If you local also even
If-
SEO, that is based on keywords only, no.
Yeah, you're right, but website is different from business listing, right?
Yeah, I can agree that as per website only will be SEO only.
Everything is
Even
SEO only.
even restaurants they have website, no.
Website, but if they want to rank their website, see, 1 minute, I'll show you. See, when I search for best restaurants Pondicherry, these are like local business. This is called business listing, and when you scroll down, you have website. See, these are all websites. So when you want to rank this, see, you have, when you give more places, under this you have so many restaurants. But so this is local listing, right? This is business listing. But when you scroll down, wait, so when you scroll down, you have number of websites. So if you are having your own restaurant website, these many websites, but there are so many websites that are in second page, third page, up to 10 pages we have, right? But you want your website to be ranked here as a first 2 to 3 place, which is called on page that is SEO that we do for websites. But especially if you want to rank your business alone here, that we call it as local, like how we can do that through local SEO, right?
They will agree, but when searching customers in Google, no. So based on location they will search, I know. Based on area also they will search.
Yeah.
No?
Yes, you're right. I think you are a bit confused. Okay, so if I try to,
Hello, please unmute yourself. Unmute
please
yourself.
unmute you guys.
Divya, you can unmute them. You are a host.
Actually, earlier that is local SEO is not there. Maybe nowadays they are adding.
Yeah, nowadays only. See,
Is right.
it's a booming thing. Daily, on a daily basis, we have more since AI is like we are in the digital platform, every day there is new features updating. So local SEO was not there 2 years back, right? 2 to 3 years back, it was there. Like you have this business listing, but the opportunities of listing in ranking factor, it was created now. Okay, so let me continue further. Please unmute you guys. Please mute. Okay, and then so local SEO will be covering that, and then affiliate marketing and freelancing. So how you can start your career. Please mute you guys, please.
You can mute them.
Yeah, I have to get back. So
Hello, Mohammed Ali, please unmute yourself. Mute yourself, please. Why you are disturbing whole class?
Okay, so and then now, so how you can start your career as a freelancer, so we'll be teaching you that as well. And then affiliate marketing, so you guys know what is affiliate marketing, I'll tell you. So when you are promoting, so if you are, for example, you have your business and you want someone to promote your products, and you'll be giving some commissions to them. Okay, that's affiliate marketing. Okay, so you can build your career as a affiliate marketer, and then you can just relax, and you can generate a passive income through it. And then in this course we'll be giving you AI tools, 30 plus AI tools. Okay, so one of the tool that we used is like that we are going to reveal at the end of the session is this PPT, how we created this whole PPT in a less than a minute. Okay, so that also an AI tool. So in this course we'll be covering 30 plus AI tools. Okay, and let's go to the live demo session. So initially I'll be teaching you like how to create a Canva post, and then how to create a WordPress website, like a home page, and then how you can run ads with these two platforms. Okay, right, so let's go into the demo session now. Okay, so this is Canva, which you can you download it from your Play Store. You can have it in a mobile also, right? So let's go. So this is the Canva dashboard, and then let's create a post. So now I'm going to create an Instagram post that we can use it for either as an Instagram post, or we can use it to run ads as well. Okay, I'll create. Just click on create, and then see Instagram post. If it is not here, you can search like Instagram. So you have different sizes that are need for the Instagram, so you can choose whatever you want. So let me choose this square. Okay, okay, so now let's assume we are going to design a furniture. Okay, modern furniture post. So you can just click on design, and then you can search for modern furniture, sorry, modern furniture. So you'll be having plenty of designs. Sorry, something, it's a, just furniture. See, you'll be having these many options, these many templates or pre-made templates. Okay, you can use it for your business. So let's assume I'm taking this, and then you can just change the color to something like this, and then you can double click on it, and then you can edit. Okay, you can change your logo and whatever you want you can do. But these are this is so user friendly, you can do it without my guidance also. So I'll tell you how to create a post customly, like from the scratch, how to create. So I'm just add page. So this is like canvas, right? So it's new. So how to create a post. So I'm going to design a furniture post. Okay, so how to do that? I'm going to element, and I'm going to search some furniture, modern furniture. See, modern furniture. And I'm having these many options. Okay. Uh, so let's take this. Okay, I'm using this pink. So I'm flipping the size, and background is, this is so simple. All right, I'm adding some effects. So how it can be done? Go to elements, and then I search for shapes. So here we have shapes, right? Just click on it, and then I'm using this, so making it this, and then I'm changing the background color to this, and then I'm making it the layer means one after the other. Okay, so I'm going to make this layer to the backward. Okay, and then just I'm dragging it, and then elements, this one. See, now it might make you feel, guys, I'm so fast, but during the course, if you opt for the course, I'll be explaining each and everything separately. Okay, so we don't have time that much. So I'm just showing like how you can be created, how it can be created. Okay, so 1 minute. So let's, and then search for shadow, and so this one to make some effects to feel like real. Okay, so I'll be adding here, and then I'm reducing the transparency here. Say okay, and then uh, bring this element to the front. Okay, okay. Now this chair seems to be like not settled in the floor, right? So we make some effects, shadow effects to feel it's real. Okay, send it to the, sorry, here, and then send it to the back. See, so we have some effects here, right? Okay, and let's add the content here. So go to text and then heading, let's say modern. Is my spelling correct? Modern.
Mm.
Yeah, modern furniture. Okay, and I'm making it in the next line. And then this font, you know what is font? The name of this text. So we have different font, so I don't like this font, so let's create some other font, use some other font here. So we have different types of font here, see, so you can use anything. So I need something for headings, right? So how is this? So I want something bold, so I'm searching here. Okay, in the bold. So squad one, this would be fine, I guess. No. Okay, let's assume this is the font I'm using. Okay, so I want this text to be right aligned. So you can choose this. This is right, left aligned, and this is right aligned. But this, there is so many space in between these lines, right? So I'm going to reduce the line spacing. See, see, okay. And then I'm going to add a small division line. Okay, and then I'm going to add a width, so thickness. So there is a space in between here. Okay, and color. So I'm going to use something that matches with this sofa and then the background. So the color I choose, see, if you choose some element, the relevant colors that are in this element will be shown here. So this dark red, I mean dark pink or something. So this color I'll be using here. And then for this division, this line, also I'm going to use that color itself. And then a small text, right? Okay, so small text as, what we can add as a small text. Okay, make your space, make your space beautiful and creative. Something that we want to add, I can add. Okay, and I'm making this left aligned, sorry, right aligned as well. Changing the font to something minimal. See, let's say go with Poppins. DM Sans. Okay. So I'm using this font. And then I'm going to add like a discount offer. Okay. So I'm just duplicating this. And then let's say 20% offer. 20% off. And then I'm minimizing the size. Okay. And I need, this is so plain, right? So I want this offer to be more attractive. How can it be done? Go to FX, and then you have these many effects, but let me add like background. Okay, this is more attractive, but uh, I want the background to be more attractive. How it can be done? So this is text color change. Okay, I'm changing this text color to white, and then this background color, I'm making this background color here to the dark red. Okay, so this is done. And then I'm reducing the size a little bit as well. Okay, and then I'm going to add a, I'm just duplicating, oh sorry, I'm just duplicating this and add it as discount. Let's say discount. Okay, minimize this, and then just some creative elements can be used here, right? So it's so plain without an element. Let's
Go
just,
for WordPress website.
yeah, 1 minute, I'll be. So arrow, see, some pointing, changing the color to this, and then flipping, sorry, flipping, and something like this. Okay, and then a call to action, location. So location icon, changing the color again. See, you can add your address here. Just duplicate it. You can add your address. For now, time's sake, I just save it as Hyderabad. Okay. Okay, so this you can create a post like this. And one more thing, you can add a logo as well. Logo, furniture logo. Let's say this one, I'm making that color to white. Okay. So your logo here. See, I've created a whole post now, right? So you can learn more how to create a video, how to create an animation. You can learn in this Canva mastery course. Okay. So now I'm downloading this post so that we can use it in the, so number of pages. 1 minute, I'll show you. See, number of pages. So I want this page to be downloaded. So current page, done, and then I'm downloading now. Okay, so this post is downloaded. Now I'm saving it. Okay, so now this is a small demo of Canva post creation, and then now we go to WordPress website design. Okay, so let's go to some website. So we have a website called test.thrivedigitech.in. Okay, test.thrivedigitech.in. So how to get into the website portal WordPress? If your website is designed using WordPress, so how can you get into the website dashboard, like backend? How to get into the backend? So type your website. Okay, website means your domain name. This is called domain name. Whatever the previous name with the .in or .com or .co, whatever it is, we call it as domain name. Okay, so type in your domain name and then this slash WP admin. Okay, if you type that and then just click enter, this is your WordPress dashboard. It will ask for your username and then the password that you create when you are purchasing your domain and hosting. Okay, so you have to just log in. So this is the WordPress dashboard where you will create a website, right? So now, so here on the left side, you have so many options, right? Which is pages, where we used to create a page of a website like home page, about page, contact page. You will have that here. And then post is for posting blogs. For example, if you are a digital marketer and you want to update people on a upcoming or newly introduced products, features, tools, if you want to write blog, you can use this post. For now, I'm going to explain you how to create a home page for this furniture shop. Let's say it's a furniture shop. I'm going to create a page. Okay, so how can you create a page? Initially, this WordPress has a limited feature, so you have something called plugins. Okay, plugin is like a play store. So in your mobile we have like play stores, right? So we have a play store. It's something like play store, which we call it as plugin, a third party tools which we use to enhance our website. Okay, so to build a website, the widely known plugin is called Elementor. So we can build a super website using Elementor. So let's say Elementor. When you click on plugins and add plugin, when you type it on Elementor here, see we have this Elementor uh, option, right? So you just have to install and activate it. Guys, am I boring? Is this looking so bored or interactive, like interesting? See, I've installed Elementor now. Okay, and then one more plugin that we need for creating an header and footer. Header means like navigation menu, like when you switch to home, about, or contact page, right? So we have one. We need one more plugin.
Divya,
Yes.
already website is there. Then why you want to go WordPress?
Sorry.
What? Already website is domain is there. Is it
Uh.
right now?
Yeah.
Then why you are creating WordPress? Then which one you have to work on? Domain you have to work on WordPress things you have
Domain
to work.
is just a name. For example, let's say you're going to buy a land. Okay,
Hmm.
the name of this land is only there, but you have to build a home, right? Where if you buy a land, is that enough? You want to build a home, right, to stay there, right?
For example, no, if
For
it's there like
example, I'll
only.
show you. Wait a minute.
Hmm.
See, this is a domain. Thrive.10 is a domain. Okay, now let's see how this website is looking. Okay, so when you just click on this website, this is the page. You have to build a design to showcase. This is just a name to showcase your business. With this name, you have to create a design here to showcase your data, like what you are doing. Okay, so initially this website is like this without any content. Okay, so you want to design a page like this. See, for example, Thrive Digital Tech. So this is one website. So see, this is our website. So initially it is like this only. So we created this content. So these content are stored in this name. Okay, this is the name, and inside that we need a hosting. So we will be covering all these topics in our digital marketing course. Okay, so this is the live demo session. So how to create this home page. Okay, so now another one plugin we want is Element Skit. See, Element Skit for to create a header and footer. Okay, activate. So let's get into Elementor. Before that, for creating an header, okay, 1 minute. Add plugin.
Plugin based on keyword or based on product?
No. This is not a keyword, not a product. These are all some tools that we use for website design. Okay, this is not related to keyword, not related to product, nothing. To create a website, we need some features to make it some visually appealing. So see these designs and all, they're not. So with just WordPress, we can only create a words. We can just write a words, but to create something beautiful like blocks and all, we need plugins.
That is the inbuilt plugins only.
Yeah, there are so many plugins here. See, WordPress is like a ocean. We have so many plugins from different, for one feature alone we have so many plugins, so we have to choose the right one. We will be covering this in this course, WordPress as like a digital marketing course. Okay. Smart slider. So again, this. Okay. So let's design the website now. Okay. First, we need a hero section. What is hero section of a website? See, this background is none. The first thing that you open your website, the whole content comprises of what this website belongs to. So that we are going to design. Okay. So how it can be done? Elements kit, header and footer. Header mean header and footer means header. This is header. The navigation menu, logo, header, and then get started. These things are header. And then footer is this. Okay, in between we have these contents. Okay, so let's go to smart slider and then let's go to dashboard. Okay, so I'm going to create a new project and then new template. Okay, and then slider or block. I need a block. Create. Okay, so slider image. So initially I will be having this image. Okay, so how to upload an image? Just go to free pick. Okay, free pick. So download some furniture photos. So I'm downloading this okay. So initially I downloaded some image. So how to upload? Media library, upload, and then you're going to select files and then you're going to upload. Okay, open. So we have these many options. So for now I'm going to use this image. Wait a minute, it's loading. So initially I'll be using this image. Okay, just select this. 1 minute guys, it's loading. Okay, so initially this image in the home hero section. Okay, and then edit. Okay, so now I'm going to give some name. Okay. Oops. Oops. Yeah, this one, and then content. So I'm going to write a heading. So modern furnitures. And then I'm going to make it as going to increase the size. Okay, and then some effects. I'm going to overlay some black. So this will be covering everything in the digital marketing course. If you opt for the course, I'll be explaining like everything in point by point. Okay. So let's say this one I created and some bottom text, small bottom text. Okay. The same content. Make your space beautiful and creative. Okay. So and one more button for contact us. Contact us. And then I'm changing the color to something like yellow orange. Okay. See, I've created this one. And then you need little bit of space, right? So I need a row. I give some space here. Okay. Now this home page hero section has been created. It says save. And then get back. Uh, okay. So now hero section has been created. So action, make it live. So I'm just clearing the cache if anything is there. Done. Cache cleared. And then so preview. So when you open the website, it will look like this. Okay. And then so you have created the home page now. Okay. And then slide optimize. So there are so many options here. Okay. Shadow, no need. Right, you have been created a home like hero section. Now just let's get into the page. Okay, add new page. Okay, so when you're creating a new page, you're going to pages and then add new page, and then you're going to edit with Elementor. Elementor is a web page builder. Okay, so widely used platform. Page builder, it's a page builder. And then I'm going to settings and make it as, wait a minute, and then page layout as our full width. Okay, now I'm creating a page. So you can also create that home page, that hero section here. Okay, you just need to have a container and then full width. You're going to add text as modern furnitures. See, I'll create a whole home page here. Okay, modern furniture. Okay, and then I'm just center align and then color change to white or black. Just for now I'm doing it black. Okay, and then I'm increasing the size. Wait, I'm increasing the size, and then I'm adding space, adding above, increasing the space, and sorry, it's too much. So increasing the space, and then duplicating the space below. Okay, so I'm going to add a background image. So how to add a background image? Just click on this three icon and then go to slide style. So add image. I'm going to add this image. Okay, so when you add, increase this spacer even more, and then here even more, and you go here, and then attachment position center or else bottom center. This is too white. And then repeat, no repeat. Okay, attachments, size, content, no content, cover. See. Okay, now I'm going to make this color as white. and then this background to be little bit dull. So I'm going to just overlay something. Wait, background overlay, color, see. Okay, and then add a little more text if you want. Just for time consumption, I'm not adding nothing here. Okay, you can just can create a color white. Okay, so now you have your home section, like hero section. This is, we call it as hero section. Okay, and now we are going to add the below content. So let's say we are going to have a intro of your company. Okay, so how to add that? Just click on this plus icon and then you create this two sections, and then you're going to add image on the left side. Okay, so I'm adding this image here. So let's say this image. Okay, so I'm going to add this image here, and then you're going to add the content on the right side, intro of your company on this right side. Okay, so go to this plus icon, and then we have the elements here, text editor. So you're going to just drag and drop the text here, and then you're going to add a content. So let's ask ChatGPT. Okay, so let's ask. So I'm going to design a furniture website. So give me the entire homepage content from intro, services, and call to action. Okay, so it will give the content. See, even if you get a project, you don't have to sit and write the whole content. Okay, you can just ask for ChatGPT. But if you want to do SEO, you need to work on it, right? Okay, so for now, just to for a demo session, I'm using this content. Okay, so this is the intro, but this is too small, right? I'm just asking it to elaborate it to 4 lines. Describe in 4 lines. 5 lines. Okay. Oh, it's asking me to log in. Okay, for now. Shoot. Furniture website homepage content. See, it's giving this as a intro. Let's say this is the intro. Okay, I'm just copying and pasting here. Okay, and I'm making it justified, and then I want this content to be in the center. Okay, so how it can be in the center? So I'm center, and then below I'm going to add a gallery to showcase my project, like newly created furnitures. So how to create a gallery? Just go to here, and then gallery, search for gallery. It's a basic gallery, right? I want carousel gallery. See, image carousel. You can add here, and then you can just click on this icon, and then you can add all these four, and then you can add a gallery here, insert gallery. See, you have images to showcase here, but how you want, you can customize it. This is like thumbnail, right? Small images. I want these images to be in a full, and then I want space between these images. Okay, so how it can be created? So how many images to be showed per view? You can also slides to show. So I want 2 images showed at a time. I want 3. So you can do that as well. So I'm showcasing the image here. So you can, if you want this arrows, this arrows colors can also be changed to something. See, I'm 1 minute, guys. Sorry for the disturbance, guys. Okay, let's get back into the design. Okay, so you can change this arrow mark colors, this dot colors here. Okay, you can do that. And then, so I'm showcasing my product. So I'm adding heading here. My as a gallery. Okay, dragging the heading, and then I'm adding like explore our products. And then heading color, I'm changing the color to hitters, and then center align. Okay, and then you can use your services, like what type of products that you use. It sees ChatGPT gave these things: living room, bedroom, dining room, office furniture, outdoor, and decor. So we need to add these many things, right? So how it can be done? Okay, go to here and then icon, see icon box, right? So we have this, but we want this to be in a aligned manner. We want this in a aligned manner, right? So go here and then add how many columns or things you want. Okay, you can choose that, but I want it as grid. Okay, so click on this, no, click on this and then grid. Okay, I want two columns. Okay, two columns, and you can choose how many columns and width you want here. Just okay, I want this 4. Okay, and now you can add this icon text, icon box. Okay, and then you can choose some icons here. Home, you can also import something from, you can download it from the Google, and then you can import here. You can change the color if you want. Okay, and then heading, just copy pasting the content, living room, and then some content at the bottom. We paste. I'm just duplicating the same thing. Okay, in this entire digital marketing, sorry, someone have commented what is covered in the entire digital marketing. So I already told you, right? We cover all the topics like social media ads, website design, canva design, and then SEO part, and then 30 plus AI tools. We'll cover everything that involved in digital marketing. Okay, this website design is also included in that. Got it? Okay, so you can showcase your services like this, right? And then call to action. So finally you need something like for call to action, right? So how to create a call to action? So let's say I'm adding the container, and then I'm adding a heading, something like contact us. Okay, and make it a center, and then I'm adding space up above and before. And then I'm adding a background image of something. Okay, and display cover, no content. And then I'm making a overlay. Okay, and then this contact as text, I'm making it so something like changing the color to white, and then something big. Oh, this is too much. And then call to action with button, so we need to add a button, right? Just click on this button and then add it over here. Just drag and drop the entire WordPress, and Elementor is just like dragging and dropping. You can create an entire website. Okay, so I want this button to be in the center. Okay, and then I want this color to be something in orange. Okay, so yeah, this one. And then color, I click here. Instead of click here, I change, I'm using like contact us. So bring your dream furniture to home. So you can add something like this, guys. Okay, so this is like footer call to action button, and I'm adding some space here to make it attractive. Okay, and then I'm adding okay, wait a minute. So this color, this is so disturbing color, so I'm going to change the color icon. And then if you can colors, see, you can just change the color likewise. So if you want the same color to be implemented in other three icons, so what you do is go to icon, copy, and then you have this code, right? Just copy this code, and then for this content you're going to change the color. And then for here, go to style, icon, color, change it, and then content, to change it, and then here change it. So let's change some icon here. Okay, so this icon we can change, like go to icon library, something like for now due to time consumption, I'm adding some other icons, random icons. Okay, let's go with this building icon. I'm using this. And then for this, let's use something. So is that furniture or not? No. Okay, some random icons. Okay, so the you can showcase, but to stand out like different, I'm adding the background like small different colors, just to make it like stand out. Okay, and then I'm for this, make it as white background. So here you have this background, and then just white. Okay, the same is going to be implemented for all. Okay, so this gives you some difference between that blog and the different services, right? So you have some difference. So let's add a topic as services. Okay, I'm adding heading as services. Okay, I'm changing the color, center align, sorry, center align, and then colors to black. Okay, and then this background also, I change the color of this background. So this is the thing that we created now. So just publish it. Okay, now you have published. See, it was like this, but when you preview this entire website, see, this is how it is. So you have created a whole like homepage content, right? See, it's scrolling. See how it is, right? So this is how we can create a website. But this is like a very basic thing. Okay, without anything I've created this website. But if you opt for this course, you can learn more in detail, which where you can create a beautiful website, something like this. Okay, due to time consumption, within 2 hours I have to cover this canva and then this website, and then I'm going to cover this how to run an ads, right? So due to time consumption, I'm just showing you the very basic thing here. See, it's like 20 minutes or 15 minutes I've created this, right? Okay, so this is how you can create a website, right? So now let's get into see one more thing. So this is a separate link, so how to make it as a home page? How can you do that? Okay, so go to appearance and then customize. Tech.in, you have nothing. You have this page, but in this page, in this domain, when you click on this domain, initially it was not that initially it was not showing the page, right? So how to make it as available in the home page? Like when you click on this domain, you want that page to be appear. How it can be done? So global, sorry, not global, site homepage settings, and then static page, and then here you want to select the page that you created initially. Okay, publish, right? Okay, so I'm this is like elementor for something like this, right? So I'm just changing the name as home. Home, and then I save it. Now see, right? So you have the menu here, the header, you have the menu, and then instead of testing, if you want, you can add your logo as well. Okay, so if you have a logo, you can upload the logo as well. So this is the entire website that I've been created now, right? Interesting, right? So you can create your own websites, your own portfolio websites. You can showcase your products or services that you do. So when you're going to get a job, like when you're in the interview, if you tell the person that I have a website, so when the people ask, tell me about yourself, you can show your website. See, I have this website, so these are all my talents. And when the people ask you like what's your talent, what you're done as of now, so when the HR or people, when they ask, you can showcase your website. So they'll think, okay, you are well known person in the digital marketing, so you have more knowledge, and then they'll hire you. Okay, you have like 50 to, you have like 70 to 80% of chance of getting hired when you have your website, portfolio website. You can showcase your products. So in here, for this website I've showcased like recently added like a gallery, right? Here you can add like your knowledge, your skills. You can like you can showcase your skills in this website. So which we call it as portfolio website. Okay, instead of resume, you can have your website, right? So this is like, this is how you can create your website. Now let's go into ads. Okay, Facebook. Now you go to Meta Business Suite. So this is the platform where we run the ads. Okay, see our Try Digital Tech Academy and our page from Facebook and then Instagram, both are connected here. So when these two platforms are connected in one, which we call it as Meta, that platform is called Meta. So we are going to run an ad. How? Go to Ad Manager and then go to Campaigns. Okay, so here is where you're going to run an ad, right? So for example, create, and then so what, so you have these many options, right? So what type of ad you're going to create? Awareness is to create, letting the people know that you have this business or you have this services. Okay, to reach the wider audience we are going to use this awareness. And then traffic. What is traffic? When the people like making some actions into it, like more people are your post or your ad is reaching to some people as a boost. Okay, so when they make a click or when they going into like if you are attaching your websites or if you are attaching some app to your ad, it will get into it, right? So if when the people visit those things, it count it as traffic. And then engagement, when the people see your post and then when the people call you through ad or when they message you through ad, which we call it as engagement. And then lead. Okay, so for example, you guys, right, you have seen the ads and then you have you like you contacted us and then you joined here for this demo session, right? So which we call it as leads. Okay, which can be done like messaging, form filling. So these are all leads. And after leads they have to be converted as a customers. Okay, and then app promotion. So if you are designing any app, if you want to promote your app, you can promote your app. And then sales, which is called as conversion. Okay, this is lead and this is conversion. So we, for example, Amazon, Flipkart, so we, or else some other e-commerce website. So when you directly clicking on the ad and you are making a purchase, which is called it as sales. Go to Ad Manager, Ad Campaign, and then we're going to create a ad. Okay, brand awareness, continue, name it as furniture promotion, just furniture. Okay, and then next, and then yeah,
Divya,
200.
Divya, previously you created on brand awareness. No? There only can edit that USD to INR, no?
Yeah, we can, but we already using it for US clients. If I change it to INR, it get collapsed, right? So we have separate
No,
platform for Indian thing.
but location you're going to head location, no?
Yeah, we can do that, but we if once it is primarily set to US now, if we want to convert it, there is a bit process. Okay, with whatever the whatever the currency, we can run ads from everywhere and we can target everywhere. But we are so familiar with this. Okay, so for Indian we are using this portal, so that is bit different and this is bit different. Okay,
Based on country wise, you can change that
yeah, we
INR
can
and
target.
USD.
Yes, yes, we can target that.
Okay, okay.
And then location, here it is like India, and then I'm setting it as Hyderabad, Telangana, India. Okay, and then audience. Let's get into audience placements. See, audience suggestions. So here, let's choose your audience age groups. For example, if you are targeting some people who opting for who is buying furnitures, what age group people would be, right? It would be like 25, 29, or like 25. Let's assume like it's 25. Okay, 25 to 25 to 60. people would buy, kids won't buy, would not going to buy the furniture, right? So it's like we'll target like 25 to 60. Okay, and then detailed targeting, gender, all gender people. Okay, and then detailed targeting. So here, so something, so here we are going to choose the audience, like some people for a furniture, who can you target? Okay, for example, let's say people who are more interested in home, like beautifying the home. Okay, let's assume home. Okay, home improvement. So interest when the people who are like to improve their home designs and everything. So and then home got furniture, so if the people more are interested in furnitures, so let's click on that. And then when you click something, it will automatically give some suggestions based on that. Modern furniture interest, people who are interested in modern furnitures. Okay, so interest, we are choose two things. And then demographics, so newlyweds, right? So home shift, like new shift, um home shift. One minute. So it's not coming. Okay, so newlywed, so newlywed people, they'll get a new home, and then they get new furnitures, right? So let's search for new beds. Sorry, wait. See, newly engaged, newlywed, 1 year, within 1 year, within 6 months. So these are all demographics also. So you can use any one of this, right? And then bedroom furniture interest, people who are interested in bedroom furnitures, who are interested in interior designs. So you can use these as a targeting audience. Okay, right? And then so you have choose to target audience, and then you're going to come down, and then next. Okay, so here is where you are going to insert the page that you have created. You're going to link your websites, so everything is going to happen here. Okay, so this is, we call it as ad set. So where you want to run this ad, so I'm going to run this ad in this page, Facebook page, and then this Instagram page, okay, which we already linked. Okay, now add creative. Are you going to run an ad with single image or video, or carousel, like scrolling, Instagram scrolling feature? So you're going to use that or what? So I'm going to use a single image. So how you want this to be converted? If you want, like you want the people to get into the website, so when your ad pop up, and then here at the below you have this button, right? Learn more, contact us, like that. So I want my website to be placed there. Okay, or else if you want the people directly call you with the post, you can also do that. Messaging option, directly you can message us, you can directly message the people with the ad, right? So those features we can do here. So now I want my website to be displayed. Okay, so this is the website that we created, right? Just copy it, and then I'm going to add it here. Okay, so I'm going to add this website. And then creative, now we have created one Instagram post, right? So I'm going to add that, edit media, and then upload. So I've created this page, right? So this is of size, and this is of different size. Okay, now I'm going to add this image here. So they're different format, so square format, and then this is, you can be used for reels, and then this can be used in the explore session. You will be seeing the post and different types of reels also, right? So you can, it will be displayed there as well. And then next, And then here you can give the primary text and headline and then description. So I'll give it directly in the about. See, these are all AI. When you click on next, see image generation. These I've uploaded only one image. See how creatively it created. These are created using AI. See, so people won't see the same image again and again with some creative, some different format they'll be seeing. Okay, so if you want anything, if you like anything, you can select that as well. Okay, click on done. Okay, now you have selected add creative. This is called add creative. Now we are going to do add copy. What is add copy? This headline, description, everything we call it as add copy. So how to create this description? So for now I've been using this chat GPT to create a headline, create a headline, primary text, and then description for Facebook ad. Sorry, Facebook ad to create. So Facebook ad for furniture with modern furnitures, modern furniture with 20% offer. Okay. So now it's going to give a headline, primary text, and everything. So I'm just copying it out. You should not just type it like this, guys. We have a separate prompt for creating ad copies and all. But for now, as for this demonstration, I'm being using this like a simple text. Okay, I'm just give this is a headline. Sorry, where is the headline? Scroll down, and here you'll be having this headline. Okay, see, automatically AI itself is giving some kind of suggestions. So let's click on that. So every time people won't see the same text. So different time, different topics will be seen. Okay, and then I'll be using this primary text. Okay, copy, and then I'm going to add this text in the primary text place. Okay, and then based on the content that I gave, AI itself is suggesting some other primary text. See, all your, this is the preview. So you've given this headline and then primary text, right? So see, can you see, this is the headline that you gave, this is the primary text. So you see, right? So whatever you give, you can view it here. You can preview it here before publish. So how it looks. Okay, you can check it here. And then description, which we call it as like caption, for example. You can use it. So description, just this one. Okay, I'm copying and pasting it here. Okay, call to action. So you have different, so when you are like, see, watch mode. So when you are turning this shifting this whole ad to the video, so when the people, if you want the people to get into the video, you can use watch mode or get code, see menu. If you are, for example, if you are opening a restaurant or a hair salon, for example, so if the people want to see the menu, you can just use it as see menu, get direction, contact us, send a message, whatever the thing, call to action you want, you can use it. For website, you can use like learn more itself. See, here you have this option like learn more, right? So you can use this. Okay, everything is set. That's it. If you click on publish, your ad will be live. So before live, okay, you need to know this. If your website and your content is are compiling with this Facebook rules, only then your ad will be live. Okay, if not, see, it's processing. Facebook will monitor whether you will check whether your ad follows the rules of Facebook meta ads. So only if it is like in a proper way, it will be live. Other than if it is not, then your ad will be blocked. Okay, after 5 to 10 minutes your ad will get into live. Okay, that's it. This is what the website like canva design and then website design, and with these two you have created a ad here. Okay, so this is what you like the demonstration that we covered. And now we are going to showcase that, like we are going to showcase how your email marketing and then your WhatsApp automation tool looks like. So our team member will be explaining that. Okay, we just 5 minutes of quick tool like how we use these tools. Okay,
Yeah, okay. You
I'll be stop
can
sharing now.
stop your sharing. Actually, how the WhatsApp marketing automation. See, when you are enrolling for one course, you are going to get some sort of message directly straight away into your inbox, right? So this is how you are. So can I audible to everyone? Hi guys. Please active. See, until we have taken a long session and regarding the basic kind of information we have provided to you. So you guys have to interact and you guys have to know much more regarding this Google digital marketing. So this is the platform where we are using Interact for WhatsApp marketing. So everyone is audible, right? Hello. Yeah. Okay. Then we can continue. See, this is the platform where we are using Interact for WhatsApp marketing. So here when you are having a product and when you are having a services, we can create one catalog and we can send a bulk messages here itself with automations and everything. So this is the platform. But before we have to use this platform, we have to interlink this with this Meta, Facebook, and because Facebook is ruling the WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp, Instagram, and the Facebook both are one on only platform. The owner is same. So for when we are using a WhatsApp, we have to take a complaints like we have to register with this Facebook. Then only it going to give the access to use the Interact. If you are doing any fraud, it entire system will be collapsed because Facebook only think that you are doing any fraud, so it will directly give the unverification to your accounts. So you need not to like you will not be having access to use these platforms. Okay, you have to be careful when you are creating this type of platforms when you are interlinking, when you are connecting this type of platforms to Facebook. So what are the Facebook platforms for WhatsApp marketing is Interact and Wati. So Wati also one of the best which platform where we can send the bulk message to the businesses. But we are using Interact because it is a very small amount, like the budget friendly, and we are using this one. So how the dashboard is after linking and everything, we are going to explain you in depth in this digital marketing course because already we have interacted connected this. This is the whole process we are going to explain you. But coming to the dashboard, how it will be. See, this is the inbox. There, these are the campaigns where we are going to run to the user. See, today I have sent the messages to someone else. Like 2 hours, we have a campaign. Attempted 175 members. I have sent it. In that 100 members received the message. In that delivery is 95%. Read 45% are read the message. This is how it will be. So first, what we have to do, we have to import the contents. Click on contacts, create contacts, import the CSV file. So CSV file will be compulsory. Name should be there. And see, I will show you. Download sample CSV. You can see here what are the sample CSV we can include in that. See, name should be there. Phone number should be there. And much more, it is very important to have country code because if you are targeting US country, so US country code has to be added here. Then. Okay, you have to familiar with this kind of sections. Okay, this country code definitely important. And coming to email marketing, it is not that much important because you are doing a WhatsApp marketing. Emails are not that much important for this. Now, coming to user section, it's not also these are all not important. The main thing is name, phone number, and country code. These are the more important to run the this campaign. Okay, after 1 minute, I'm coming to the dashboard. Okay, See, after creating the list, whole list of 1,000 or 10,000, you are going to upload this 10,000 list here. Okay, this is like when you are creating this whole list, you can comment, you can open it, upload, and you have to create a tags. See, you are receiving real estate clients as well as you are receiving interior clients as well as you are receiving some other clients. You have whole data. You have interior clients. So you have to send the different images, different campaigns to different candidates. Okay. First you are targeting to real estate. Then you have to create your own tag, which is real estate tag. Then you have to use that real estate contacts into that tag. So this is how it will be. That separation of contact leads. You have to create the tag and then you have to pull that contacts into kind of tags. Then it will be going to easy to uh, create a campaigns and run the campaign. See, when you are creating a campaign, come to here. So here more section. You can check the mobile numbers. See, okay. So here you can check according to the tags. I want to target digital marketing, guys. Okay, tags. How many users are there? Total 732 users are there in digital marketing. Yes, so then I have added tag and I have selected all of those who have 732 members and then send notification. This is how we are going to send the notification in bulk. Okay, 1,000 members with one click, we are going to send the messages with this interact platform. This how first thing we have to create the context, and second we have to create this kind of templates. First you want to send the Diwali, so you have to use the template of Diwali. So here you are giving the your website link. So you can write something else here in the body box. We can write something else. You can use the image as you like. If you want to rechange like with your image, you can add your image because it is AI given and this is already included in this. So you can use this one. So this is the template you can submit after approving the template. Template should has to be approved. Okay. I will show how to approve it. Actively template. See, this is how it will be going to approve. After Meta is going to approve the template, then only you are going to run a campaign that how I showed you. See, this is the coming to the context. You have to create the campaign. Selecting the context, then you have to create the campaign. First, go to the campaign, your context, then select one of the digital marketing tags, all the tags which you have. According to that, if you want to send digital marketers, you can select those and you can send the entire message with one click. This is how it will be. And it is called WhatsApp marketing. In-depth knowledge, we are going to give all how to integrations will be working, the payment section and the Google Sheet. When you are when you are adding Google Sheet, if you added any mobile number, like if you added any mobile number on Google Sheet, directly it will take into the interact kind of thing. So here this platform is going to pull the contact list. This is how it will going to work. And when you are going to add CRM platforms like Zoho CRM for sales operating systems, the too many companies, the big companies are going to use this HubSpot and Zoho CRM. So it is too costly. Salesforce is not going to use by small businesses because it's going to be very big kind of thing. It will be bulk. It is like a ocean. So we can't handle this. So moreover, we are going to go with free kind of Zapier's connections, WhatsApp notifications, everything. So we will be training on each and everything, how you are going to send this. And coming to email marketing, this is how the systemy.io we are using for email marketing. So you can check. This is the email systemy.io. This is also you have to create the contact list and everything. Okay, I will show you. So first tags you have to create. Come to CRM tags. Here also you can create digital marketing students, e-commerce students, Google business for real estate. These are the clients which we are running right now. These are all the real estate clients. These are the live chat jobs. This is digital marketing students and e-commerce students, as well as see. These are the tags. If I want to add any contact in this tag, I straight away add the tags here. Any contacts, I will straight away add into this tag. Import contacts. Here also you can import the contact after creating the tag. The same way you are going to add this, open. In the same way, you have to select in which tag the contacts are going to be. In digital marketing, the tags, the contact, the all whole contacts will be going to be digital marketing tags. Okay, you are selecting this. Then you are going to submit next, and you are going to submit. Okay, then it will automatically go into digital marketing tag only. When you are sending a bulk emails, so you can send the bulk emails to some particular kind of tags only. This is contacts. See, contacts. I want to send all of them. This one, I have selected all of them. So more option. Already I already have created one campaign. Think about that. I have created a campaign. Subscribe to that campaign. What is the campaign which we have running right now? Real estate campaign. Think that those clients are related to real estate clients. So we have already created a campaign of real estate. I will show you how to create a campaign also. Okay. Then start. This is what something we don't need it. Subscribe it. Then the contacts which you have selected, this will be interlinked with this campaign which is you are running real estate. The all email IDs will going to get a mails directly into their inboxes. This is how it will going to work. I will show you how the campaigns and newsletters. Newsletters is one time. You are going to send one time. Okay. If you want to send right now to all the contacts, you are going to select the newsletter, create a newsletter, type subject line, hurry up. Okay. This is how it will be, hurry up. Sender name, I am sending to the contacts. The email ID, it is the most important. See, when you are sending any kind of mails, it should be compulsory. Company email ID has to be there. With the normal Gmail ID, you are not going to send any messages. At the beginning, it will give for 1 month, or it will be going to give the free version. But that also you have to verify with systemy.io. But it is more better to use company email IDs like this, info@Thrive Digital Tech Solution. You can select the template. If not, you can go with your classic editor. Classic editor, it seems like copy paste content from ChatGPT. You can copy the content from ChatGPT and you can send the mails directly. If not, you can create from this template, select one template and save. After saving, there is an option you can edit from here. Okay, see, if you want to add one image for yourself, click on that. So you can upload the image which we have inside this. See, this is how it will be. We are dragging small. Okay, you are going to add some content here itself. So you can add a content. You can remove this if you want. No need to add this. You can delete those. What is the content is best fit for you? You can use that also. Here you can give the link of your website or link of your social media or the main page. The purpose what you are targeting to your client, you can use that link. You can give it. Okay. And if you want image directly, you can add image. Text, you can add text. Everything. Button, call to action button. See, if you want to click here, you can click here. You can use font size. You can use font and button URL. If anybody is clicking here, it directly straight away go to another email, another kind of website. So you can use the URL here. So google.com. If I am using google.com, if anybody is clicking, directly Google will be going to open like this. Okay, this is how it will be. So you guys are going to create like this and save the changes. After saving the changes, exist. So this newsletter you want to send to the bulk people. Hurry up. It's or fill in. Wash. This is the after hurry up, it will going to show seats are filling part. So which campaign you want to create? You can select the tags. See here, when you are going to send this one newsletter, after editing, after editing, you have to exist, then it will show to whom you have to send this. Here, select to whom you have to send to digital marketing. Is this really connected to digital marketing, guys? Or is this really you are going with for real estate clients? You have to check, and according to that, to whom you are going to send. I want to send to real estate clients. Okay, I have selected real estate. So this this campaign will going to be selected for those clients. Okay, it is going to be go for those clients. And what are the tags? Exclude. We can exclude anything. It's not include, exclude. It will going to exclude that. But no need to worry because already we have selected only one thing here. So then you can 1 minute. It's getting started. Then you can add and you can save and you can test yourself. You can save and test by adding your email ID and save and send and save and schedule. This is how it will be. You can send it immediately. You can test itself for yourself and you can send and schedule for some other time. This is how you are going to create email marketing. And coming to campaigns. So how the campaign is going to be means I will show you. See in the campaign you will be targeting for 1 week. It is not one time. Coming to newsletter, it is one time you are going to target them. If you want to send right now, you are going to send right now. If you are going to send tomorrow, you are going to send scheduling for tomorrow. But it is not like that. It is like something interlinked to first email to second email to third email to fourth email. That in this way you have to target them for 7 days or 1 month. It is interlinked course. Okay. See, this free training is changes lives. Okay, this is the first subject line. I will be sending this today. Assume that I am going to send this today. Still working 9 to 5 job. So this is interlinked for this. Still working. So then after sending this, automatically after 1 day it will going to be sent. Then after this, the long you wait, the harder it gets. See, after 9 to job, then again they are thinking that they have to enroll for it. Then what we are doing? Again we are sending a mails like longer you wait, the harder you get. This is how after automatic this email after 1 day it will going to be there in boxes. This is how the campaign will be going to set up. You have to think the entire 1 month process of emails and you have to think for first mail, this is the first mail I have to send and this is the second mail. You have to think about yourself. According to that, after end of the month, you have to give the call to action button. Moreover, you have to go with giving a value to them. When you are giving a value, first 1 week you have to give the value. This is you have to learn this, you have to learn this. These are the values and these are the segments where you are going to cover. See, latest Google has taken some kind of updates. So learn this. You are going to give the value. Then they think that okay, these guys are giving value to me to them. So after that, giving a value, you have to process for promotional kind of thing. You have to give the promotion kind of thing to your sites or to your product or to your services. It will going to be work like this. Okay, here also some integrations are there. And meanwhile, I want to explain something. If you guys are going to take this course, so this is the course page. So we will be going to upload each and everything here itself. You are going to get login credentials to your mail directly automation system when you are enrolling. It will be like Canva design lectures will be going to happen here in your dashboard. first class, second class, third class in Canva designing, and then coming to WordPress designing, first page designing, then menus, and then posts, and everything will be going to here. And this here, on page SEO, off page SEO, technical SEO, local SEO, all the SEO kind of lectures will be going to be added here. And coming to GMB, GMB is one of the best and easiest part to earn money, like 50 to 60 or 1 lakh a month. So if you are fooling the clients, already we have taken like local SEO kind of thing. This is what so many people are opting for. You can get these lectures. This is the main kind of thing where you are going to add everything here itself. And last, resume building tips. How to create a resume? What are the factors included in this resume? We are going to explain you. According to that, you can build your resume and you can crack as soon as possible. And fundamentals of interview cracking. How, what are the questions they are going to ask you in digital marketing, and what are the major sources they are touching in digital marketing? So what they are going to ask you in interviews, everything will be going to cover in this session. So these are all the lectures will be added over itself, and we have a community also here itself. So there you are going to have a daily updates. If any updated from, see, this is the update, top 10 companies hiring in digital marketing right now. So what are the top 10 companies? This is how you are going to get every post on regular basis. So what are the important tasks? If any update from Google, if any update from Meta, if any updated from any AI software, or if any ChatGPT is getting some new kind of information, everything will be updated here. You guys can see from here. This is how we are going to train you and each and everything. And automations rules. So, when you are going to set a one rule, if campaign is, when you have set a campaign, if one person is opened a contact and another person is not opened a contact. If one person is opened a contact, that person will go the second campaign. But when one person is not open the contact, that person will go that first kind of mail only. This is how workflows you can set a rules here. Until he open the first email, he will go, the inbox will be filled with first email only. This
So
is the
he will
rules.
continuously receiving the same first email
Yeah,
repeatedly until he open the
yes,
mail.
exactly.
Okay.
We can set up that. We can set up that. And sales funnel. Coming to sales funnel, see, you are not capable of having website and everything, but you want to pull the clients, you want to take the leads and everything. Here you can create a like funnels. So you want to build an audience. Give some name, build an audience. So funnel domain. So it will be, and currency, make it India. INR. Indian rupee. You want to build an audience. See, when you are creating a funnel, think if you have a product, go with sales and product. If you want clients to talk to, like to filter them and to get a services, go for audience. Okay. And if you want to filter those, go for custom. Custom, it seems like it's completely depends upon you what to do, what to add and everything. This is how. So create the funnel. You can add this, edit this, opting page. There are a lot of templates here. You can create one template and you can add a subscription button over there, contact form. Then you can pull the clients from adding running ads and everything from automation rules. You can set an automation rules also. This is how it will be. We are going to train you in each and everything because session is going to be 2 hours above. So we no need to cover each and everything. Okay. And coming to affiliate marketing is one of the best platform to get earning money, because you guys are don't know about affiliate marketing. I think I will show you. See guys, you can earn a decent amount of money affiliate marketing, that is around 3 lakhs per annum. You can earn You see, this is the basic kind of thing. From whom you are going to earn this. Can you make 100 a day with affiliate marketing? Consistently analyzing performance metrics with the right tools and commit to delivery value. Earning day or more is entirely achievable. See, you can earn up to $100 a day by doing affiliate marketing entire system policies. We are not training you on the in-depth level of getting 1,000 to like $1,000, $2,000 a month, but for decent amount like 20 to 30,000, how you are going to get from your clients and how you are going to get from your products, we are going to train you. I will show one dashboard. Earlier, I used to work with one of the platform for digital market for affiliate marketing. So this is the impact.com where all the products will be listed here. So you have to approve the product which you want to promote. Okay. Then after it was approved, then you are going to give the one link according to that. See here. Here you can find the brands. Okay. Here you can
So
find the brands.
one more minute. The
Yeah.
easiest way to understandable way is, Amazon, right? So nowadays Amazon,
Yeah, Amazon.
Mintra,
In
right? So
YouTube.
nowadays people, they just show you, so these products, they promote the products. If you like this product, you can buy. I have given the link in the description, you can buy it from there. So they are giving some link, right? Those links are affiliate links. So if
Yes,
you buy
exactly.
products from those links, they will get commission. So if you are buying some product using their link, you'll get a commission. So they are doing
But
affiliate marketing. So they are
yes, yes.
promoting Amazon's product, and you are buying those product. If you buy the product with their link, they will get a commission. Okay, so that is
Nowadays,
what
you
affiliate
guys are
marketing.
when scrolling the YouTube ads and YouTube Reels. So there is a small icon, and there they are writing like affiliate. So there, when you are clicking on that, it will go in, when you are buying that, they will going to get a commission. This is called affiliate marketing. But moreover, I don't want to suggest Amazon because it is getting very small, little bit amount, like 1,000, 2,000 rupees. But we are not going to suggest those because the products and the sale percentage will be more, then only you are going to get 50 to 40,000 from there. But moreover, when these are the software, SaaS software. You can check what are the SaaS softwares. Okay. So there are some softwares.
If you promote software based tools, if you promote tools like software as a service, SaaS means software as a service, software based.
Yes.
If you promote tools, you will get high commissions. If you
See,
are promoting
coming
Amazon product, you will be getting like 100 to 200, something like that. But these softwares, when you promote these softwares, you'll be getting like 1,000, 5,000 per
See, I will show you. I will
converting
show you. This
everything.
is my dashboard. Earlier, I used to try if it is really working or not. See, you can check invoices, which I have not earlier I have done. You can check the entire system. So where I have done the commissions from here. See, in 2023, 2023, 2022. I have tried for this. I have not worked with full-time potential, but I have tried what is it. I like Bluehost. I go with a Bluehost. So see, you guys can check how much I have earnings. These are the earnings. 5,000, 15,000, 10,000. So I really surprised. It will going to work out. In affiliate marketing, it definitely going to be work out. But make sure if you are promoting any product, it has to give minimum 5,000, and you are going with full potential to get minimum 10 to 20 or 30 sales per month. If you are doing 30 sales a month, it's like hardly 1,50,000 you are going to earn from this. This is how you can go with full potential. Promote the software which have high potential, like more users are buying that, and like more income you are generating. You have to promote those kind of software, then only you are going to get that much of income. So we will guide you on this, how you are going to do this, not a issue. So you can definitely go with this. Okay. And we have promised that with one click, you are going to take Divya, or I can.
Yeah, I'll continue, sir.
Yeah, you can continue for instant scrap.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so I'll continue with this. Okay, so at the end of the session with two more three slides after, I'll let you know, I'll reveal that how I got my first client and then how I generated this whole PPT. Okay, so when you and before that, I'll just complete this session. Okay, so once you opt for our digital marketing mastery course using AI, what you will get? Okay, so you'll get an official certificate
Share
of
the
visible, right?
no.
So what you will get once you completed our course. So once you enrolled our course, you will be training for continuous 3 months every day, right?
Your
After that,
screen.
fine. So we'll be giving you the official course completion certificate, and also we'll be giving you 3,000 plus AI prompts that you can use it for your services, like for digital marketing purpose, and then for like other services that you're going to give it for your clients, you will be getting 3,000 plus AI prompts. Okay, and then 6,000 plus AI tool materials. Okay, and
Show
then
them the tools. Show them this 3,000 plus AI prompts where they are in Google Sheet. You can
okay,
use the Google Sheet. So what are the prompts that they are going to cover? Go
one minute.
email ID, our email ID. Use Google Sheet.
One minute.
Go to Google Sheet. There, what are the prompts? See, you can 3,264
See,
prompts.
3,000 plus AI prompts.
Open that and
See, you'll
so
be
these
getting.
are the business purpose kind of thing, and you can check the sheets. If you want to career purpose, there are 561 career purpose AI prompts, the email marketing prompts, and Google Sheet prompts. Near there are too many sheets. There are like 15 to 20 slides are there. Every slide is consist of nearly 500 prompts. You
So
can
these are
go
all
through
just
that
questions. You will be getting prompts. Okay, so you will be getting 3,000 plus prompts, right?
and go with the this 6,000 plus Ninja
Yeah,
AI tools.
6,000 plus yeah materials.
See, these are the AI tools. So the purpose of the tool and the what are the benefit of the tool, it will be going to written over there. So go upside once. Top.
Yeah, this is.
Hmm, go more top.
Yeah,
That's
that's it, sir.
first.
This is the top.
No. It's a 106 page. You are
See, straight away it's starting from here only. Yeah, this is
yeah.
okay.
So
Mm.
see, for advertisement part, you are using ad creative. Ad creative, what it will be going to give means everything like image creating, ad titles. You earlier she used to tell Facebook primary text, headlines, and the description, right? Each and everything with 100% score probability, it will going to give you. You can show the ad creative if you want. Divya, we have all access for that also. Ad creative, use that plus tab, and you can show them how the ad creative will be going to work. Not an issue. So these are the for advertisement part. It will in that only. You can just you can click on the new tab, ad creative.
Our ad creative or some examples of
No.
ad
Ad
creative.
creative. Already have done that one. Ad creative. Click the website. Website. Third
Yeah,
one.
this one.
Yes.
Okay. Ad creative AI.
Yes. First one. Click on
Okay.
that. So it will give the entire kind of mastery, like what are the headlines, and it will generate the images as well, and it will give the login, create a login. It will give the description,
See,
everything it will go
import your
into.
brand in second and select a ad type, what type of ad you want, and then you can generate a whole ad. So I practically given you the title, I practically like I manually selected target audience, age groups, and then I manually typed the headline, description, and all, right? But this tool entirely it will give everything. You just need to give like what type of ad you are going to run, and every details it's going to give you. Okay.
Those are the like this. There are 6,000 plus AI tools going to cover. If you want like any SEO kind of websites, there is a list of advertisement part. There is a list of AI tools. You can go and go through that, and you can check with that. So this
So
is
you
the
have this
material that we
6,000
are
plus.
going. Yes, these 6,000 plus content tools are there.
See.
So AI tools, you guys can go and check each and everything.
So once you
See, there is
off.
a level labs 161. There is a level labs. What it will be, if you want your voice, if you want your voice audio format, it will give the your voice audio format. If you want any audio to be generated, here it will be going to generate a audio. This is how there are a lot of see for video editing purpose. These are all the kind of website you can use for AI tools. These are the AI tools websites. It will
What is the
going to
main purpose of that AI tools? Like we have to promoting our brand into AI tools or
no.
No, these are
Actually,
all
when
third
you are
party
working,
websites. Okay. We are just letting you know that you can use it for your business. So if you
like
with the
which
help.
purpose you have to use?
yeah,
That
I
means
will
like
tell you. I will tell you. See, when you are working for any client, it will when you are researching and you are video editing and image creation, it will going to take if you are going to done a manual version, it will take up
okay.
to 1 week. But when you are using the AI tools, it definitely get within 1 day you are going to create each and everything, and within 2 days you are going to give the resources to the clients as well as with the analysis part also you can give as soon as possible. If
And
not, it
these
will take.
are paid version
For
or free
example,
version?
let me tell you one example. So if you are going to create an ad video ad, or if the client wants some video to be edited from your end, okay. So if you manually edit the video, how long it will take? At least you have to sit for 1 day, right? But here, with the help of AI, we have these AI tools where you can just give the prompts like I want this type of videos, and this visualizations I want. If you give just prompt, it will automatically give the video generated. So you don't
This is
have,
a
you can reduce the time of your work with the help of AI, right? So now I created a post, right, using Canva. It took like 10 minutes of time to create that Canva poster, 10 to 15 minutes. But with the help of AI, you can generate those image in a fraction of second.
this is the prepaid tools or postpaid like free tools?
Both will be covered. There will for some extension it will be free. But if you want some other, see, when you are going to PPT, 10 slides will be going to free. When you are going to take more 30, 40 slides, it will be paid. For some extent, it will be going to free. More you want, it will be going to be paid. See, when you are seeing system.io email marketing, for 2,000 contacts, it will be going to free. But more than 5,000, it will going to pay. This is how it will be. When you are
Oh,
using tools, it will be free and paid also. But for limited version, it will be going to give the free version with their logos.
okay. Using
And
AI tools, you can save the time. That is the final thing
yes,
only.
Yeah,
exactly. See,
exactly. You're right.
when we are giving the this analysis part to the client, see
Yeah, that's
someone
like
some
automation.
just automation. When someone
Yeah.
is giving the work within 2 days, no, but you are taking 10 days, client will automatically, why you are taking 10 days? This guy is giving me 2 days.
Yeah, yeah.
And this is how it will. We can use those tools and we can make it as soon as possible because say everywhere when you are going to some big IT sectors, they will see the productivity. How long you like how much the productivity you are giving within less time.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is what they are. That's why the all the jobs are getting lack nowadays due to AI because we have implement AI but for that purpose only. Even with ChatGPT, you can generate a lot of content. Lot
See,
of content.
ChatGPT is also an AI, right? So I didn't even type the content by myself. I just asked ChatGPT, it gave the content. I saved my time from thinking about the content, right? From typing, I just copy the content and then I just paste it here. So it's an AI tool. So it's giving what I want, right? If I give something like give me the furniture homepage content, it gave the whole content, right? So I just
Yes.
copied
We
and
have
pasted it
given
over the website.
single word. You can use single
So
word
how
and
long it
get
will,
entire.
yeah. So how long it will take if I design a website with typing every content by myself? It will take time, right? So with the help of ChatGPT, it's an AI tool. I just got the content, I just copied and then I pasted. So likewise, you have these many websites.
So AI,
So which
everything
you
is
can,
give everything is good content only, na?
Yeah,
that
when you are going to work on SEO part in websites,
Mm.
better AI will be generating, and again after getting a AI generated content, you have to recheck that and you have to remove the duplicate content which already those other websites are using. There is a
Yes.
plagiarism checker. So there you have to check the plagiarism of the content. If there is you found any plagiarism content which is duplicate content, you have to remove that automatically. There is also AI tool. It will find the
For that one, no
plagiarism.
need to check AI, there is a website will be there, no duplicate content checker website will be there. There
Yeah,
also you can
that's
check
what
the
I'm
duplicate
saying.
content.
That's
No
what
need to
I'm
check,
saying.
chat GPT, Here one
I'm
more
not.
thing is chat GPT is better and Google is better.
See,
Seeing content.
nowadays both are same, but coming to Google, nowadays no one is going to click on Google because within seconds it was giving ChatGPT was giving entire information. Rather than you are searching for every website, clicking on every website and going searching for a content.
As per
Like
my knowledge, sometimes studying purpose, chat GPT also is wrong also.
yeah, ChatGPT, but in paid
see
version it
for
was
that you
giving.
have, for that you need to do prompt engineering, right? So that's why we are going to give like 30 plus
Prompts.
like 3000 plus AI prompts. So if you give the right prompt, the ChatGPT will give the right answer. So based upon what the content you give, you'll
That's why
receive
we
the
are providing
answer.
this much of prompts, 3,000 plus prompts. That's what we are providing because so no one knows how to give the prompts to the chat GPT. So it will automatically generate the normal kind of information. So when we are giving this kind of information, you are going to get exactly what you are going to get.
Even nowadays, number of applications will be there, like Google, Gemini will be there.
Yeah,
One
Gemini
more
is there
also will be
and
there. Percent,
Writer is there,
it will be
Cloud
there.
is there, Cloud.
Yeah, it will be there.
You can use anything, not only ChatGPT, but coming to
Yeah.
ChatGPT, it is easier to do anything. You can generate images within seconds.
Yes,
Within
yes.
paid tool, you can generate image also as you like. And she will disclose this one actually, like
Okay.
instant scrap, how she got
Yeah.
first client.
So actually, I was also the student like you guys 2 years back. Okay, so I completed my IT and then I wanted
Three
to
years back.
digital marketing. Yeah,
Not
3 years ago. It's 3 years ago.
Hmm.
So I completed my BTech IT and then I was attending this digital marketing course where I learned like website design, this Canva, this whole digital marketing thing. But I chose my career as a designer, website and Canva designer. Okay, because I'm more interested in designing part. So as a first, but I what I learned as in digital like in website design is so basic. But when I got my first client, I don't know that I have this much ability to design. Okay, so everything is there when you start. Okay, so let me tell you like how I am I so I'll show you like how I got my first client. So let's say I'm going the first client I got is like interior designer. Okay, so I'm choosing like interior designer. That designer is from Coimbatore. Okay, so let's say something else like okay, let's take as interior designer as a example. So I'll choose as interior designer near me or in Kadalur. So my local area is Kadalur. Okay, so I'm choosing it Kadalur. So see, when you click on this, wait a minute, where is this extension? This one doesn't have extension, sir.
No, in this it doesn't have extension. You can show them.
Okay, no issues. Okay,
You
so
can
when
add
you
the extension here itself.
okay,
No, add plus icon and you can just. See guys, you have to add one extension to your browser to get
instant
instant data from all the clients, and you have to follow up them accordingly. I will share
data scrapper.
to, yeah, instant data scrap.
Where is it? So no, we have to create a new extension, right?
Yes, exactly.
So go to Chrome Web Store. Okay, so when you go to Chrome Web Store.google, so you can search for instant data
It is
scrapper.
very important for you guys. Better
Okay,
write
so
it down.
you can also get your first client. Okay, so just use this instant data scrapper and then add to Chrome, add extension. Okay, so now this extension has been added. So what you do, I'm searching for interior designer Kadalur. So I have this data. This is Google business listing that I already told you, right? Okay, so now I'm going to just use this instant data scrapper now. Okay, see, it gave you list of businesses. Wait a minute, so I'm just clicking on here.
Click on more places and pin this one. Pin this one. Make sure
Okay.
pin this one and click on more places. Yeah, yes.
Wait a minute. So actually this tool that I've got to know from this Teja sir, but before how I got my first client is, see, this is more advanced to extension, right? Okay, but where 3 years back how I got my client is like you have these many interior designers. Okay, see, all people have this website, but this one GK Interior have no website, but this business has 5 rating, but they don't have a website, right? So all people have website, and then this Rainbow Interiors doesn't have a website, and then this team Mahal and our planners, they don't have website. So I called these peoples manually. So when you click on this, you have, see, you have these people doesn't have this phone number, but some people other businesses, they have phone numbers. Some people will have phone number. Let's wait and see.
See here, Durva Constructions. No website, phone number is available.
Sorry. See
Durvara.
here, this people, they have phone number, right? I just called them, called their business, called their company, and then I asked like, so at the time I have a website like divyasblog.com. Okay, I called them and I said, sir, I'm Divya from divyasblog.com. So I've seen your business. I've seen your business in Google. So it was rating 5, and that was so awesome. You have been ranking in the first page, but one thing is missing from your end to reach more wider audience. What it is? They asked like what it is, and they and then I told them, see, all other businesses, even with less rating, they have their own website to showcase their product and services, but you don't have your website, sir. So I can help you with building a website. So I explained them, and then I scheduled a meeting, and then I explained everything like what is website, so how can it helps your business to stand out. So and then I got the client got converted, and then I created a website for them. Okay, so that's how I got my first client. So isn't it interesting, like how you can get your first client without investing? Even if you want to run ad, you want to pay, right? For ads, you want to spend money from your hand. Without spending money, I got my first client. So this is how I got my first client, right?
And if you guys want to, you are like it is hard to check each and everything who have a website, who don't have a
Yeah,
website. So then you are going to use this instant
instant
scrapper.
data scrapper. Okay, but I manually created a spreadsheet. I manually entered every details, like these people have website, these people don't have website and all. But here this instant data scrapper, so when you click on it, and then when you click on this
Download
extension,
that.
you'll get everything. See, these
The
are all
23.
business listings, and then their service category, and then see here they have website or not, everything is listed, their address, and whether their phone numbers are listed here. So you can directly call the persons and then you ask for the services. You got everything, right?
See guys, how I used this one is like I will take nearly 200, I will download 200 leads every day, and who have the mobile number, I will add all the mobile numbers to my WhatsApp marketing, as well as if they have any kind of information, I will pull that information. Straight away, I will use exact email marketing as well and WhatsApp marketing. I will give catchy content and catchy image to attract them, and I will directly share the WhatsApp marketing kind of thing.
See here you can see the these people have website and these people doesn't have website, right? So you can directly call them through the phone number and then you can get a client. If they get converted, you can earn from that. You can work for their projects and then you can deliver the project to them. You can get you will earn from that. Okay.
Divya,
Like,
Yeah.
yes, sir.
they don't have a website. Then now they came to Google first page. They are doing any SEO or SMO.
This is local SEO.
This
You
is
are
called
talking
local
for
SEO. That parameters includes rating. Okay.
Yeah, anything else they have
Rating.
to some SEO, no? Some digital marketing SEO, no? Or SMO. What are thing they have to some work only, no?
Yeah,
They know
that
it from
that
Google.
that thing you will get to know once you converted into this our course. Okay, so everything if we gave it in a free manner, what's the point of having this demonstration and what's the point of having a digital marketing course? Yes, but we'll let you know. Since you asked a question, I'll let you know. Okay, so for business listing, there is no necessity that you want to have a website. That's one added advantage to showcase your business. That's it. But how we rank on the first page, right? So
Yeah.
he uploaded 70 plus photos, right? And then he has these many reviews, right?
even though you can check, GK interior is getting in the first position with 7 ranking, but for the quality interior with 40 ranking, 40 reviews, it will getting in the third position. See, what is the difference? He has used the SEO kind of thing. That's why if he is having 7 reviews also, he was getting the top.
Yeah.
And even he was like 40 reviews with ranking in the third, fourth, and third and second position.
So you'll get to learn this SEO,
Each
how
and
to do
everything
this
you are going
SEO,
to
how
get.
to rank. You'll get to know once you joined our digital marketing course. Okay.
Few of things in digital marketing only, not 100
Yeah.
percentage.
Sorry.
So without I know about digital marketing only.
Okay.
Not the previously explained everything I know. I have
Mm-hmm.
few things I know, not everything.
Okay.
So without website, they can't come in Google first page also. What you told that is a local business only.
Yeah.
So
No. See, this GK interior is in first page only, right? But they don't have a website.
So don't have a
Website
website.
website is an added advantage of ranking. It's not only the parameter that help in ranking the page. Okay.
if I open that JK interior things, it will open that website and they don't have website. Then
Yeah,
where
they
they
don't.
where they will go customer see that product. They don't know first of all that website only.
They don't have a website, but they showcase the services. See, they have uploaded these many photos, right?
And you can take this client and you can
You can
ask
call
for
the
the
client and
website
then you
also.
can ask for the website design. So you can
Yes.
design a website for them and then you can opt for this local SEO also. See, I can help you with ranking your. So you are in. See, this people is this business is already in the first position. So let's just leave it. Okay. So some other business. See, this is 4.9 rating, and then they also doesn't have a website. So you can
You
call
can
this
call
person
them.
and ask for the website. So if they gave you the website, you can design it. And one more that you can ask for the other services also. So since you have your website, you want website can also be ranked, but also you have a Google listing, right? So I can help you with ranking your Google business in the first like first. It's already in the first page, but I can help you within the first position. So you can convert them for handling so local SEO. So you can do SEO for this, and then you can like package like 5 to 5k. 5k is minimum, so you can offer 10k. So for this service, local SEO, you can rank the position to first.
But they want to get domain, no? First of all, they want to get the domain, no? Then only you can go
That
website.
different. That different. If you are
Domain
going
is
to
for
give the
website.
website,
Okay, this local business listing doesn't need a domain. Without a domain, without a website, you can create this business listings. Okay, we'll
How you will
practically
create the
let you
domain?
know how in the digital marketing course detailedly.
how you are going to list this and without website, and how you are going to give the clients to them, each and everything. Even you can run advertisement for this. You can
Yeah,
scroll
see,
up.
this is sponsored, right? They are running
Even
ad.
though, yeah, they are running advertisement without website.
So no, they have a website,
They have
but
a
they are
website,
running
but they
ad.
are not running ad for website. They are running ad for this local business ranking.
Okay, this is separate local business listing. This business listing itself is separate topic. It will take like 2 to 3 days to cover the whole topic. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
So you'll get to know once you get converted. So please be converted. Okay. So I think you are more interested in this course. So I can guess it from your questionings.
And the PPT which we have created within seconds, she will going to explain.
Yeah.
See, if you want to use that type of PPT, it will take hardly like 2 days or 3 days, and you have to build all the content, images, everything. But within one click, you are going to generate that. That will
So
going to be explained.
I'll be revealing that how I created this whole PPT. See, this is isn't so eye catchy, right? This is how I created. See, AI is just booming. We have to make use of it, right?
Yes.
So how? The website is called gamma.ai. Okay, this is the website which builds the whole PPT within a minute. So see, we have created these many PPTs with the help of Gamma, and how it can be created. So
Create one
create new.
sample for furniture purpose.
Okay, create new. So if you already like paste a text, so if you already have some text like a prompt, you can like use it this paste in text, or else if you want to create from the scratch from one line, if you want to give, see, I'll use it here. Okay, describe what you like to have. I need furniture showcase brochure. Okay, I need, or else create a PPT for a furniture business with services, and then product showcase. See, simply I just wrote this and then generate an outline. See, it created a content for the slides. Okay, I just gave this one line without it doesn't even have any valuable info, right? I just gave it as create a PPT for a furniture business with services and then product showcase. That's what I gave. See how much content that he created. Our story, like the furniture company story, and then what the business offers, what the company furniture company offers, and why people want to choose their business, why they want to buy products from their company, and then product showcase, like everything, and then bedroom and dining products and portfolio products they completed. So what are the services they've previously done, showcase of the products that have been completed, and then their pricing and packages. See, everything it has been created in a second, right? And then let's it created 10 slides. Okay, let's just create let's just click on generate. See, doesn't it so interesting and mind-blowing? I was literally shocked when I found this uh, tool, this software. See the icons that it's creating. So it's based upon services, right? See here how it created this icons. See the images it created by itself, right? See how. See the images here. So recent projects. So if you want, we can also change the change the image that if you want. We can edit the content based upon ours. See the icons that it used. How perfectly it aligned the content, right? So you can change the text if you like font if you want.
Theme also you can
Yeah,
change.
you can also change the theme. See exactly it's created the whole PPT within a minute. How long we spent for this PPT generation, right? So if you want to change the theme, you can just edit the theme. So you can just change the theme. See, you can change the theme. And then you can edit the content if you want. Everything it can be done. Right? Mind blowing, right? So this is how we created this entire PPT. So you can also use it for your business. So I think the people here who are attending these sessions are working, might be a working professionals, right? Who want to shift their careers, or who college completed people might be also here in this session. So if you want it for your work, or if you're for your colleges, you can use this tool for generating PPTs. Even if you get converted, like if you joined our course, we'll give you some assignments also. So for that reason, we'll give you like case studies. So at that time, we can use this PPT, right? And then coming back to our demo session, we are going to complete it. That's it. We completed our demo session. So we learned Canva design, homepage design, and then how to run an ad, and then email marketing, WhatsApp marketing, local ads. So we had a quick revision, like demo of all those platforms, right? And then coming back, like why you choose our course. So if you are attending for online, you'll be having like 2 hours and 2 hour of practical teaching session, and then 1 hour for your training. But if you want to be trained like 100% practical, you can opt for our offline course. So you need to come to our academy, and then you'll be training like 4 to 5 hours a day with completely practical. Okay. And then so we'll be covering all those these platforms like tools, Canva, WordPress. So everything, meta ads, email automation platforms, so everything will be covered in this course. And then you can build your brand, digital brand. So I told you previously, right? You will be having your own portfolio website at the end of this course. Okay, within 3 months, you will be having your own website showcasing your portfolio, like your skills and your knowledges. It can be used for your job interviews, and it can be used if you are like if you are going with freelancing, you can it can be helping for you to get the clients. Okay, you can showcase your talents, and you can showcase your the recently done projects for the clients. Okay, and then you can start earning immediately with the whatever you learned, you can deliver it to the client by getting a project, right? And then sorry, I will just okay. And then so the course duration would be 3 months and 2 hours a day. Since many of the people might be like working professional, as I told you before, so for that reason we curated this course just for, daily. evening 8 to 10 p.m. 2 hours 2 hours a day. We are going to have a teaching session, like practically teaching. See, we won't bore you with speaking with this PPT kind of things. So we'll be explaining everything in a practical way. Okay. And then after 2 hours, you'll be having 1 hour of practical session for your experience. So you will be doing some practical sessions. So I'll be explaining, not only me, I'm going to teach you like Canva and WordPress. And then the rest of our team member will be explaining digital marketing and the stuffs like that. Okay. So you'll be having 1 hour of training sessions, and then it's completely 100% online. So if you want to opt for offline, you can contact us further, right? And then so it will be like a interactive section. See, if you ask so many doubts in between, right? So it will, even in course also it will be like that. So if you have any doubts, we'll be having separate Q&A session, so you can ask your doubts. Also, if you created something, say we will give you assignments, right? Or else if I teach something today and then you are practically experiencing it, and if you have some doubts, or else if you created some design and you can show us, and you can get a feedback, so you can improvise with that. So it will be 100% interactive sessions. Okay, we'll be with you for like 3 months of duration. We'll be with you at 24 by 7, right? And then okay, so your digital journey starts here, right? So whatever the thing is, right? So you don't have to be an expert on all those things, you just need to start. So this code is I'm also one of an example of this code. Okay, because when I first when I got my first client, I'm not an expert. I just know how to design a website, like basic website, like how I showed you, no? So that kind of website only I can design at that time. So with that knowledge, I got a client, and I researched more, I learned more. I learned only 10%, guys, but after getting a first client, practically I implemented, I tested, and then I improvised myself, and I created a whole beautiful website. Okay, so if you don't know, don't just sit like okay, I don't know, I can't get this client. What if I got a client and I don't know how to design? So what it will be? Don't think like that. When you get something, when you start something, you will end up in a good manner, whatever it takes. Okay.
And moreover, when you want any support from our end, when after getting a client, so we are going to give the support for you to deliver the client projects also.
Also, if you join our course, you can also get live project. If you are performing so well, we also give you some projects to work on it, right?
Yes.
Okay, and then now when we are coming to this course fee, right? So this website and then Canva, this whole section, it's a separate thing, guys. Digital marketing is is separate, but the root for this digital marketing is like website and then the Canva, right? So this is the separate mastery course, but we incorporated in this digital marketing. So this entire course is worth of like 10,000 rupees, and then the SEO and local SEO is worth of 12K. When you can just go and Google it, right? Just Google it, or you can also ask some other academy. They are charging more for this kind of these topics and all. For digital marketing, it's worth of 13K. And then AI tools and prompts. Whoever is going to give you this AI tools and prompts, right? So this worth of rupees 9999. So the total worth is like 44,999. But since you attended this demo session, we are going to give it a big offer. Okay. So what's that offer? Let's see. Since you attended this and you waited till this time, no, it's almost sleeping time, but you waited till now, right? Since you are interested in digital marketing, right? So only because you are interested, you have been enrolled in this demo session, right? For that reason, we are giving it for 24,999, right? If you are this offer available only for 24 hours, so if you are enrolling this course within 24 hours, you will be getting the whole course. Not only the digital marketing is just a 50%. Other than that, we have this website design and canva, and then this AI tools and prompts, and then other tools like email marketing, WhatsApp marketing. Everything will be having this AI tools and prompts, right? So everything will be covering with this just 24,999. And one more offer, what it is. So if you are enabling
Yes.
it within 10 to 15 minutes, so we'll be having the 15 minutes of time. Within this 15 minutes, if you enrolling, you'll be getting the whole course just for 19,999 with 15 minutes of time. So if you are enrolling within this time, you'll be getting it for the 44,999 worth of course you'll be getting it for 19,999 just for 15 minutes. This offers open sky. So what's the time now?